Good morning and happy Monday to everyone. Today we are going to be practicing explosions. So what we're going to do is I'm going to send you guys the lab so that you guys have all the information that you need in order to do your lab. We are going to be working with film canisters today. So today my supplies are a little bit of warm water, Alka-Seltzer tablets, which are over here, and I've got my film canisters. Now my film canisters I already pre-measured, so the tape has already been wrapped around them about 1 centimeter from the bottom. So the tape is measured 1 centimeter from the bottom. Today what we're going to do, and I'll bring the camera around, we are going to use the Alka-Seltzer tablets to create a little explosion. So, you guys are going to be responsible for recording the times once I put it into the video, and then talk to me about what happens, okay? So, I'm going to do the first one just so that you can see it, and then we'll do the set of 4 so that you guys can work with that. Okay, as you can see, I have scored these. I've cut the tablets, which were full tablets. I've cut them in half. I am then going to take and put a half of a tablet into the thing. Now, the most important thing is getting the lid on and getting it sealed very tightly. So, I'm going to take a little bit of my warm water. This is warm distilled water. I'm going to fill up to about 1 centimeter. Then I'm going to seal my canister really good. Then I'm going to flip it upside down and wait. And there was our explosion. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to do it with the other 4, okay? So with these 4 canisters, and I'm going to number them up here so that you guys can see. We'll go all in order, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You guys are going to see the film canister go, and then you're going to have to record the time. So what's really important is that you get out your phone or something that you can take time on, and you're going to go ahead and measure the time as we go through. So, in the lab it says that we're supposed to cut to quarters, so we're going to go ahead and cut to quarters. Okay. For number 1, this is canister number 1. We're going to put the piece in. Put the warm water in. Seal the canister really good. Flip it upside down and start your time. Okay, so that was number 1. We're going to go ahead and do number 2 next. So we'll put in our little piece of Alka-Seltzer. We're going to fill it up. Then we're going to put our lid on. Make sure it's nice and sealed. Start time. And there is number 2. Number 3 again. Let's see if we can get it to work. Tablet, water, lid that seals, time it. Okay, there's number 3. And let's do number 4. So, we're going to put our Alka-Seltzer in, going to put our warm water in, going to grab a lid here, make sure we seal it down really good and really tight, time it. Alright, and that is number 4. So, what you guys are going to need to do then is take and go through and time 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then make sure you record the times it took, get the averages, do all of the paperwork that I'm going to send to you, and then we are through with our mini explosion lab. If you have any questions, as always, email me or send me a message in Google Hangouts. So have a great Monday, and I will be back with our next experiment.